Can you open the door for me to come in, please?
On the average Tuesday, I'd probably be dragging myself out of bed to greet my daughter, shaking off the fog as I shift into the routine of getting her ready. Dressed, brushed, fed, off to school. But today isn't an average Tuesday. School's out, and I've got something special planned. It's mommy-daughter field trip day. This morning, I greeted my daughter with the promise of an adventure. A mommy-daughter field trip to 4th of July Canyon. We had a bit of a drive ahead, but being up at dawn, we made time for a little yoga. Our own playful version of it. Ate some breakfast, and then headed out onto the open road. We're hoping to see some pretty colors today. We are going to 4th of July campground / canyon. It's known for being one of the most epic hiking trails in the United States. Or when you get there at just the right time. We're going real late in the season, so we probably missed all the pretty. When the season cooperates, 4th of July Canyon puts on an unforgettable show. But each year brings a different experience. Sometimes the whole forest erupts in vivid, fiery color. Other times, it's more subdued. Are you excited anyway?
Yeah!
And if there are no colors, the hope is there at least be some leaves to play in, huh? Yeah, I think we missed it by the looks of it here, but you never know. Try our luck. When we arrived, we were the only car in the whole lot. The silence was palpable, and it felt like the entire canyon was waiting just for us.
Ow! Wildfires.
Those tall, old, majestic trees welcomed and embraced us, the way they always do. The stresses and struggles of modern life seemed to lift from my shoulders. The weight on my heart softened, as if those strong, wise trees were holding it for me.
Hi, welcome to our channel.
What's the channel called?
Closer to
Out there, something shifted. I didn't feel so separated, but rather woven into the fabric of life. And in that connection, I felt at home in myself again. Like a part of me I've been missing woke up. The connection I felt with Olivia that day was just as deep and profound. It was pure, direct, and apart from setting up the camera from time to time, it was unhindered, unadulterated. No schedules, no buzzing distractions. Just two kindred free spirits wandering and laughing through the forest. Found some leaves.
Yeah. I got a bug.
We'll find a fun spot to play with leaves, okay?
Yeah.
Well, we definitely missed the colors by a long shot. Yeah, but that's the leaves to play in. Yay! Careful. And we had a blast.
we going?
To the zoo.
We're gonna fly to the zoo?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's one for your fire.
Yeah, we got two please.
Yeah. Still have your red?
In connecting with nature, I connect with my nature, my humanity. I saw this awakening in Olivia too, and it was such a beautiful thing to witness and share together.
There's so many. Pick them up, they're all. Yeah. Whoa! All your leaves.
They're taken away.
Bye-bye, 4th of July.
Bye-bye, 4th of July.
We miss you.
We miss you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
There's a feeling this place gives, one that's hard to describe. A sense of belonging that's so hard to hold on to as the erratic rhythms and intrusive pace of modern civilization start clamoring and crowding back in. Leaving was a genuine challenge. I felt my heart sink as we got into the car, and with every mile we put between us and that sacred place, that feeling slipped a little further away. I felt the void, that disconnect inside me growing. And even though I'm grateful to live miles away from the buzz and chaos of city life, I keep wondering if maybe it's still not far enough.